Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make margaritas at home. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need a good quality Blanco tequila, fresh lime juice, and an orange liqueur like Cointreau or Triple Sec. The quality of your ingredients truly makes a difference, especially with the lime juice. Freshly squeezed is always best for that bright, zesty flavor. Get ready to mix up a delicious drink. Now that you have your ingredients, let's mix. For a classic margarita, combine 2 ounces of Blanco tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur in a cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker with ice, then secure the lid tightly. Shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This chills your drink perfectly and ensures all the flavors are well integrated and slightly diluted. Before serving, decide if you want a salted rim. To do this, run a lime wedge around the rim of your glass, then dip it into a shallow dish of coarse salt. Next, fill your prepared glass with fresh ice. Strain your perfectly mixed margarita from the shaker into the glass. Finally, add a fresh lime wedge or wheel as a garnish. Now, your homemade margarita is ready to be enjoyed. Once you've mastered the classic, feel free to get creative. Try adding fruit purees like strawberry or mango for a fruity twist, or a splash of jalapeno for some heat. You can also adjust the sweetness with a little agave nectar or simple syrup to suit your taste. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy crafting your perfect margarita at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.